Welcome to today's daily message. Another way that we defeat ourselves in the spiritual life is through procrastination. And I don't want to pick on my daughter, but I want to use her as an example of procrastination. My daughter is a smoker. She's been a smoker for years. And her mom and I have gotten on her for years that she needs to give up smoking. And every time we have brought it up, she's always had a reason why she couldn't. I just got married. I'm going to get married. I'm going to get a new job. We're moving to a new house. I have a young child. I don't smoke in the house. My mom is sick. I'm grieving my mom's death. And always at the end of these conversations, I hear, I know that I need to quit. But I know that that statement falls short of her actually making the decision to quit. We can all relate to my daughter's dilemma. We have all at times made excuses for why we don't do the right thing or why we put off doing the right thing. And sometimes when we do finally get over the hump, we either, when we do things at the last minute, we don't do them well. And there are consequences to our procrastination. We can do harm to other people. And just as well, we can do harm to ourselves. We get stuck in the mud. Our lives get stuck. I think that at least one of the solutions, one of the ways to overcome procrastination is to break whatever challenge we face into little pieces. To decide every day, and sometimes to decide every hour, that we're going to do the thing that we need to do or stop doing the thing that we should not be doing. And I think when we break those tasks into little pieces, the result is that we can overcome our habit of procrastination. And as a result, we can be spiritually both healthier human beings and happier persons. Thank you once again for listening and for watching to the Daily Message.